Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off notification reminders in PAC MAN 256. If you've been getting annoying reminder notifications from PAC MAN 256, then I will walk you through how to disable those reminders. This process works for both Android and iOS device, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the PAC MAN 256 app on your device, and from the main menu, click on the arrow facing upwards at the bottom right corner, and this will open up several different other options on the page. Click on the gear button from the menu. Now, if you want to turn off notification reminders, tap on the reminders button and make sure that it looks like this. If you see little lines right next to the bell option, it means that you've turned on the reminders. To turn it off, tap on it and make it look like this without any two different lines around your bell icon. And after you do that, you will be able to turn off notification on PAC MAN 256. You have now learned how to turn off those annoying reminder notifications in PAC MAN 256. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.